we're going to take a look at example 1 about mobile phone company. And so it says mobile phone company offers a basic data plan in which you pay $10 for the first 2 gigs of data and $5 for per gigabyte after. Determine the cost of using 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, and 6 gigabytes. You guys, so there's a couple ways we could do this. I'm just going to highlight a couple of things that we are going to need. It is $10 for the first 2, and then $5 for each gigabyte after that. So when we want to determine the cost, you guys, we are going to take a look at how many gigabytes we used. So in this first example, or this first part of the question, we only used 2 gigabytes, and 2 gigabytes is our limit. The first 2 gigabytes are going to be a flat $10, and it tells us that right in the problem. Okay, there we go. That's a 10. The next one says, what about for 3 gigabytes? You guys, so when I'm looking at 3 gigabytes, we've gone over that 2 gigabyte limit. So I could do 3, that's a minus sign. Minus 2 means I used 1 extra gig. I'm just going to put 1 G there. So I'm going to pay the flat $10 for the first 2, but I'm also going to pay an additional $5 for the extra gigabyte. So that's going to be a total of 15. And last but not least, and I'm going to move this down a little bit, if it asks me about 6 gigabytes, I know I've gone over my limit, so I'm going to do 6 minus 2 to give me 4 extra gigabytes. You guys, so I've used 4 over, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply that 4 gigabytes times $5. That's going to be my extra charge, okay? So I'm still paying my flat $10 for the first 2, but for the additional 4 that I used, I'm paying 4 times 5. You can use a calculator if you need to. I don't think we need to on this one. That's going to be an extra $20 charge. So you're looking at a total for your data in the amount of $30.